Hello, welcome back to Life Millwife. He has a sourpuss look on his face because he just recorded this video and it deleted by accident before
on the GoPro.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, because somebody didn't take all the other videos off the GoPro before she used it.
Somebody made the video last night and didn't take everything off the GoPro.
Got me there.
All right, we're doing an unveiling.
Yes. So we have ordered a box from Goodfood. Now this is only available in Canada. There are ones that are available in the States. The email address is makegoodfood.ca, I believe. So this is a weekly meal box, and there's all different kinds you can select from, different price ranges, everything. This particular box, it's a 3-meal box, $77 and change, and roughly $13.36 or something like that per meal, which is pretty good. So we got it. I actually called them because we just wanted to try it. So I called to cancel, and she said, "Hey, you don't need to cancel. Here's what you can do." So she explained it. We can actually choose delivery date, so we don't need to order every week. I thought you could skip a week, but then would have to order every week, but you don't. We can actually block off up to 3 months where we don't have to order. She was telling me part of the reason why they come up with this idea is not necessarily for the average folks like us who have time to go grocery. It's for people who travel a lot, go away a lot, and are only home for a short period of time. So it's kind of an idea that kind of took off, but other people, are getting, because they got some good recipes, good ideas, like the quality, meats look good. Yeah. I'm assuming, well, we're in Winnipeg, so it'll all be done obviously locally here, but I was really impressed how the box came. So I'm just put my finger in front of the camera. Anyways, so those are ice packs in the bottom. The meats were directly on the ice packs, and you can see it's got kind of foil, and yeah. So, and it's actually still cool in here, and the meats.
The ice is still frozen.
The meats were directly on that. Yeah, the ice packs are still frozen, which was great. And the other ingredients don't really need to be kept salt. So we got 3 different meal plans. The first one is a seared chicken with caramelized leek. I want to say pilaf, but it's not.
Pilaf.
And the nice thing about this is they list all the ingredients, what you need here, which isn't very much. And on the reverse side are all the instructions on how to cook it. The nice thing about this is you have these, so if it's something you want to buy later, right, without ordering it, you can. And their meals change every week. The next one, we got some seared pork chops with Parmigiano Reggiano mashed string pea salad. Same thing with the ingredients and the how-to at the back. And the last one is kind of a vegetarian. It's
a pasta dish with
mafalda and sun-dried tomato pesto with almond garlic topping and green salad. So it looks really good. So all your dry ingredients, or all your different ingredients,
fresh ingredients,
and pack. Yeah. So they all come in these packages. It's great. All the seasonings, everything you need.
So that one's the rice pilaf.
I can see some great things in here that are going to be reused for Kelly. Some bottles and stuff. Yeah, and like I said, that's the chicken and the pork chops. Of course, that's the only meat you got because the pasta salad it's got no meat. So that is.
So we're doing a lot of filming
really
in the next 3 days.
So yeah, so little preview for you folks. Guess what's going to be on the next 3 weeks of Cooking with Kevin. So we're going to do each one of these. I'm not going to tell you which one I'm starting with, and then we'll actually show you all the ingredients when I do the the
Cooking.
cooking with Kevin on Thursday. I'm not going to show it to you. I'll break it up, that all out when we do the cooking. So
Sounds good.
stay tuned, because that's what's coming up in the next 3 weeks.